Hey guys, welcome to this short tutorial on how to rotate your video in iMovie on your iPhone. So as you can see, the video is the wrong way around. So as you can see, in a minute I will demonstrate how you can flip it around to the correct way. So that is involving selecting the video and then click the magnifying glass at the top, zoom out, and then put two fingers on the screen on where the video is and flick it whichever way you would like it to go. So either to the left or to the right, obviously 90 degrees so that it goes the correct way. But that does it for you, does 90 degrees each time. So I'm just demonstrating that you could go both ways, but I don't actually flick it. So here is the final result that's coming up right now. So the video is the correct way around, and thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace out.